I can see that many wives are struggling to make their husbands do their wishes. What if I tell you that it's very easy, very simple to make your husband do your wishes gladly? He will do it with joy. But today I'm going to show you the secret that you will use as a wife to make your husband bend and do your wishes always. Nagging, fighting, manipulation, lies can't make him do your wishes, I tell you. But in this video, if you can stay with me till the end, you will be amazed at the secret that I will expose you to, that will help you to make him do your wishes. But before I continue, if you love Christian practical marriage counsel, advice, tips, hit that subscribe button now and turn on the notification bell so that you will never miss any of our videos. Now, the first thing to do to make him do your wishes gladly is to respect him always. The Bible commands wives to respect their husband. Now, let me tell you the reason this will help him. This will soften his heart, and his heart will be connected to you. A respected man is a responsive man. If you respect your husband, he will be responsive to you always. The next is to communicate with gentleness, not demands. You don't make demands from your husband. You communicate gently. You communicate in a gentle manner so that he can see the reason for what you desire. For instance, instead of you saying, "You never help me," or "Help me do this," you can say it in this manner. "Can you please help me do this? It will mean a lot to me if you can do it for me." In this manner, you sound respectful, you sound connected, you sound as someone that desire him to do something meaningful for you. And when a man hears this, he will respond to you in a way to show his love, his affection for you. You can also create what we call a win-win environment. Oh my God, this works like magic. If we embrace it immediately. What am I talking about? You bring a request that is profitable and benefit to both of you. You want to go to somewhere that is very paramount to you. You don't say, "My husband, I want to go to this place." No, you can say, "My husband, I wish we go to this place together to enjoy our time, to have a nice day and have a quality time together." This sounds like something that both of you are involved in, and by the virtue of this, is going to embrace it, is going to give it to it. Let me say this now, loud and clear. Many women are victims of this, not showing gratitude to your husband when they do something for you, when they grant your desire. This is very needful and helpful, because a man that you show gratitude to for the little things he did for you, it will help him to do more and more. If you want your husband to keep fulfilling your wishes, there's a need for you to have the heart of gratitude towards your husband. If you have tried all these secrets above and yet your husband failed to grant your wishes, your desire, there is something very paramount for you to do, is to use the power of prayer. Never underestimate the power of prayer, because when you pray to God, you commit the heart of your husband to God, who is able to influence his heart to do that which you desire. So pray for your husband, commit his heart to God's hands, and see the Holy Spirit transform his heart to do your wishes. So therefore, the secret is not manipulation, it's not nagging, it's not fighting. The secret is for you to respect him always, communicate with gentleness, show win-win environment, and then you will see him gladly obeying your wishes. If this video has blessed you and impacts your marriage, please do well to like, comment below, "I love this," and most especially, before you go, subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you will never miss any of our upload.